Hello, myself Soham Naik. I am from Government College of Engineering, Kalahandi, Bhavani, Patna, with a computer science stream branch. So as an incubation batch, I got here at the JSpiders last year, March 2024 March. From a CSE background, everyone should think that one could have the good knowledge. As a good, I have basic foundation on Java full stack, but they train in such a manner, just like that. Whatever you need to think, or whatever the manner you have to speak, what, when, how we have to use the concept. Not only whatever they are telling, just by heart the concepts or tell whatever the concepts in the interview. They are just cracking in a way such like that you are going to cope with Java in such a friendly manner. Java, whatever coding language is there, some people are telling that like a coding language should be just like to be readable or you can read and pass out everything. But they are teaching in such a manner that you will grow in learning spirit from them. By the learning spirit, you can go perfect knowledge on Java by the trainers, each and every trainer, along with Ravi sir, Ramana sir, Dhruva sir, Nasimha sir, and Giri sir. Everyone is teaching in such a manner, just like that. Even also the HRs. The HRs are also paying full efforts. Full efforts every time they are going and calling for the interview. Each and every time they are coming to the class and scheduling the interviews. Either you are received at the or technology office or the company, they're every day calling, are you going for the interview or not? They're scheduling the interview by night, day, every time they are by evening, they are every time they are calling and going doing the call letters. Each and every efforts, each and every person are giving efforts at the J Spider. So you must should have good knowledge in J Spider.